The shell sorting technique is also called as combo sorting or diminishing increment sort. Unlike insertion sorting, here the algorithm makes multiple passes over the data, and each time data is divided into sets and they will be sorted using insertion sorting. Compared to insertion sorting, shell sort tries to sort elements in a quicker way by moving elements in a larger steps, unlike insertion sorting, where the step value is 1. To be a little more detailedly, for example, rather I say the elements are first H sorted. For example, if I say 4 sorted means elements of the array whose indexes are 0, 4, 8 considered as one set, 1, 5, 9 another set, 2, 6, 10 another set, 3, 7, 11 as another set. These sets are sorted using insertion sorting principle. Then H value will be reduced by 1. Again, we will get another set of sets. They will be sorted using insertion sorting. Like this, H will be reduced and then the sets are sorted. When H value becomes 1, all the elements becomes one set. Then we simply apply insertion sorting on it. We'll discuss or we'll demonstrate next slide what we are talking. For example, if we consider an array with 8 elements, the above figure shows the red elements or red colored elements has one set, green color elements has another set, blue color as another set. If the last red color element value is taken, and if its value is smaller than the second one, they will be exchanged. Now if the second one is still smaller than the first red color one, they will be exchanged again. Like that, the values at all the 3 red color locations, they will be sorted now in ascending order. The same is applied on the green color ones and blue color ones also. Like that, the elements sets are identified and they will be sorted internally. Then H value will be reduced by 1. For example, now H value becomes 3, 2, 1, 2. So that the sets becomes elements whose indexes are 0, 2, 4, 6 is one set, and elements whose indexes are 1, 3, 5, 7 as another set. They will be sorted. For example, sixth element value or A of 6 or sixth element, its value is compared with the fourth element. If sixth element value is less than fourth element, they will be exchanged. Then after that, fourth element is compared with second element. If it is smaller than second element, again they will be exchanged, otherwise it will be retained like that. And second element is compared with the zeroth element. If it is less than zeroth element, again they will be exchanged. Like that, the element 0, 2, 4, 6 will be sorted using insertion sorting. Similarly, 1, 3, 5, 7 also. After that, H value will be further reduced by 1. Then sorting will be applied over all the elements. When H becomes 1, all the elements becomes one set and they will be sorted. Just for the sake of explanation, we are considering this data set. Original data is 32, 95, 18, 82, 24, 66, 35, 19, 75, 54, 40, 43, 93 and 88. Now we assume that we wanted this data to be sorted using, rather say 5 sorted. We wanted this data to be 5 sorted. That is 0th element, 5th element, 10th element are considered as one set. Similarly, first element, 6th element and 11th element is considered another set. For example, if I consider 0th element, 5th element and 10th element, their values are 32, 66 and 40. These three elements will be sorted. Thus, once they are sorted, their values becomes now 32, 40 and 66. Similarly, another set, that is 1, 6, 11 elements. First element, 6th element and 11th element. Their values are 95, 35 and 43. If they are sorted, we will get 35, 43, 95. We can verify the same in the figure. Then we have explained how 3 sorting can be done. Then 1 sorting, when it is done, we may find that the data got sorted completely. Like this, what you call shell sorting is carried out. The following code for shell sorting is borrowed from www.wikipedia.com. Usually, the H value, the step value, is recommended by the original author as number of elements by 2. We have taken the same thing in our program. However, we may find in the literature some better starting values of H also. Users are advised to refer the appropriate textbooks. In the following slides, we will demonstrate how the shell sorting will work on our dummy array. Now, in our data, as the number of elements are 8, the initial H value becomes 8 by 2, that is 4. Now, the data having 8 elements will be divided into sets of 0, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7. If I take first set, that is 0th element and 4th element, their values are 7 and 1. As we wanted ascending order array, we exchange their values. Thus, 1 will come to the first location, 7 will go to the 4th location in the array. Now, we take another set with the H value 4, that is 1 and 5. First element and 5th element. What are their values? 5 and 9. Already they are in the ascending order, so we need not require to apply any sorting on them or exchange operation on them. Now another set, that is second element and sixth element. Their values are 14 and 2. We wanted ascending order array. Thus 14 and 2, they gets exchange their values. Now we have another set in the H sort, that is third element and seventh element. Their values are 3 and 6. They are already in ascending order. No action takes place on them. Now the increment value will be taken as 2. That is, the array is divided into subsets of 0, 2, 4, 6, and then 1, 3, 5, 7. The elements at those locations, they will be brought to ascending order by applying the insertion sorting concept. Now we are taking 0th element and second element. Their values are 1 and 2. They are already in ascending order, so no action is supposed to be done. Now first element and third element will be taken. Their values are 5 and 3. Thus they will be exchanged. Now second element and fourth element are taken. Their values are 2 and 7. They are already in ascending order, so no need of exchanging them. Now third element and fifth element, they are compared. Their values are 5 and 9. They are already in the ascending order. No need of exchanging them. Now fourth element and sixth element, they are compared. Their values are 7 and 14. As they are already in the ascending order, no need of exchanging them. Now fifth element and seventh element values are taken. Their values are 9 and 6. As 9 is greater than 6, their values will be exchanged. Now if you observe, the elements whose indexes are 0, 2, 4, 6, they are in ascending order. That is 1, 2, 7, 14. Similarly, those elements whose indexes are 1, 3, 5, 7, they are sorted. That is, their values are 3, 5, 6 and 9. Thus, that set and these sets are now in the ascending order. Now increment value, the step value will be taken as 1. Now all the elements will be becomes one set as the step value is 1. So every element will be compared with its right element. If it is greater than the right element, they will be exchanged. Thus we may find that our entire array gets sorted. Now element 1, that is 3, element 2, that is 2, 3 less than 2, no, thus they will be sorted. If you verify the array, you may find that array is sorted by now. This is the concept behind shell sorting. People found that the complexity of this algorithm is less than insertion sorting.